Hey all, Pete here. Out here shooting these summer videos for water trapping because I don't have time to do it during the season and I want to get some posted. My wife is the camera woman today. She's not very happy with me right now because we just came down a pretty strong current with lots of rocks. But anyway, I just want to point this area out right here. There's a lot of rocks here, and it can be tempting to set a muskrat trap right here, but I'm going to tell you something. When you see stuff like this, unless there's fresh muskrat sign, this is a lot better for raccoon, okay? So if you wanted to catch some raccoons along a creek, this kind of stuff is where they hunt for crawdads and small fish, things like that. They come down on these rocks, they can see, they pick rocks up, they move them, they look around. So this is really good for raccoons. I've never caught a muskrat, even when I put muskrat traps along here in the spring, because in the spring, I put steel on just about every rock that a muskrat could crawl up onto, because that's just what they're doing. So most of them have sign, but if it looks like a good rock, I'll throw a trap on it. So there have been lots of years out here where I put a trap on this rock right here. When it's exposed, this rock, some of those rocks over behind me, back here. Never caught a rat in here, but I have caught 3 raccoons in #1 long springs, and it held them just fine. Okay, so this, good for coon. Unless there's rat sign, I wouldn't worry about it. Part of the reason I don't think there's a ton of rat sign right here in the springs is this current's so fast right here. It's just not a, I think when rats come swimming through here, they just go trucking on through, right? They don't seem to be stopping to enjoy the scenery right here. But this is great for raccoons. Another reason it's good for raccoons is because right back there, which you can't see from here, but right back there, there's a drainage coming off the canyon rim. So you've got an intersection right here at the creek. You got rocks, you're under trees. Then you got this tree up here that goes almost all the way across the creek. It's a good spot for raccoons. So we're gonna shoot one more video today for another good rat spot, and that's gonna be it for my muskrat videos down here on this creek. I will do a video on floats, but that'll come later. So till then, remember, God is great, guns are good, freedom is precious.